Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Vauxhall Insignia here on a 2016-2017 plate. Just doing this tyre pressure reset. But before I do that, I'll show you where the tyre pressures are. It's just right here. That's the tyre size on there at the moment. It's got a 19-inch. And these are the pressures. So 230 kPa means 2.3 in the front. And that's bar. And 2.1 in the back bar. And that's 34 psi in the front. And 32 in the back, same as this one here. 2.7 bar, and that would be 37 38 maybe, and then 2.6 is about 36 in the back. And if you got full load, just the other way around. We'll just show you how it's done now. It's quite simple on this one. Now if you've got something like this, you need to reset the pressure on. That's the steering right there, and then that's the pressure. So it's telling us on the left hand side the pressure is low. So this is the OK button. Sorry, no, that's not the OK button. Where is it gone? Right, okay, it's not there. So here we go. Press the OK button. OK again. Now if you press left, go into options. Right, it's just telling me tyre load at the moment, so I don't want the tyre load. We're gonna go with eco on this one. We're just gonna check the pressure, and then we'll go from there. And then information, we've got the oil service, which I'll reset that in a minute. I've done the service on this anyway, so it's just quite simple. Again, go down to tyre pressures now. At the moment 35 is in the back, 32 and 29 is in the front, hence that's why the pressure light is on. But we've set it to eco, so we've got to get the right pressure, whatever is recommended. We'll just do that now. Check the pressure first. Right here, now that the pressure is done, let's just check it out. As you can see now on the right hand side, so if I press OK, now the pressure warning light is gone. I didn't have to reset it. All I had to do was to top it up. That's all I'd done. When I'm saying it's 35, 36, 35, 37, but obviously it's cold at the moment, so we might have to. We put exactly the same way it was recommended, so we might just have to drive it, so let it calibrate itself, and that should be all good. But like I said, you know, remember, if you're setting up the eco mode and stuff like that in the display, you've got to go with the recommended pressure for that. If it's less, then your pressure warning light would come on. For example, now you've got, go down to options. Now I've set it up on eco, so if I press OK, or sorry, if I go right, now it's giving me an option: light, eco and max. So whatever you prefer pressure wise, you could put it on those settings and then adjust the pressures accordingly, and that would then reset the pressure light. Now if you had the max set and you've got the light pressure in there, which is 32, say 32, 31 all round, then the pressure warning light would come on because it's set on max. It would be telling the car that the pressure is low according to the max. So that's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please drop us a message. Now if your light stays on, the pressure sensor light's on, and it doesn't go off, so there could only be few things, you know, like if a pressure valve sensor is faulty, or if the tires were changed, then the sensor could get damaged as well. So you got to be careful with all of those things, or it may just need calibration, which I think more likely Vauxhall would do them. And if no, then take it to any local garage that would have a diagnostic tool to reset or calibrate the pressure sensors. And that's it. Thank you, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Cheers.